Happy Tuesday. It is August 28th of 2018, and this is a private Bitcoin cryptocurrency index update for subscribers. Do not be confused. I will be using yesterday's update of August 27th, and I will be updating the charts as we speak. First off, I want to congratulate everybody who had the courage and the fortitude to go in to make final purchases on the 23rd of August last week. And as you've seen, Bitcoin and the cryptocurrencies are beginning to jump higher. Looks like the cycle analysis nailed the date perfectly. So let's get into some of the charts. We were expecting a price breakout on the 24th, and that is exactly what has occurred. I will review the charts in a few minutes on page 3 and 4. Once again, just a quick long-term view of Bitcoin. You'll notice we've got 1, 2, 3. Wave point 4 was the breakout, and then following the breakout, we were expecting a price reversal back down into point 5. That price reversal came. The blue line did serve as support. Bitcoin bounced off the blue line. It then created a triangle rather than continuing downwards. It formed a triangle, and then it broke out of the triangle on the 24th, exactly as expected. Here is a view of the private cycle versus Bitcoin, and you'll notice we were expecting 6 days down. We had 2 up, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 6 days down. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Following the 23rd, we were expecting a price reversal to the upside. And so the first day up was expected to be the 24th, and lo and behold, beautifully, Bitcoin went up on the 24th, exactly as expected. And phase 1 of 3 phases of the bull market has officially begun on the 24th, and we've got numerous price jumps coming. The first one was expected to occur right around the 27th, which was yesterday, and you'll notice right around 6 p.m. Eastern, Bitcoin did jump. We'll see that chart in just a second. Secondly, we have an up pattern expected into next week, then a slight pause, and then a big price jump should be coming right around September 11th in about 2 weeks. So much excitement is coming with points C, D, and E, ultimately with point E coming in around the 24th of September for a cycle high for the month. So we'll see how high the prices get. In the meantime, let's scroll over here to the next page. Bitcoin could have continued to drop deeper. It did not. It had a possibility of coming down to the 6,000 range. And then on the 24th, which on the 23rd, this was expected the final low. Many altcoins did drop a little deeper. And then exactly off the low, it reversed. And then on the 24th, we had price breakout right as we're seeing here. So the final lows are all in. Bitcoin has now got a multi-month upcycle. Much excitement is coming for Bitcoin. Next, let's scroll over to some of the alternate coins. And what I'd actually like to do right now is to look at the live chart feed. So let's do that here. Okay, so as of August 28th, let's look at the numerous coins, starting with Bitcoin. Let's look at their charts. Let me review and give you a quick summary of what we're looking for within the charts. So we've got 3 lines here. We've got the pink line, the orange line, and the yellow line. The pink line represents the 55-day exponential moving average. The orange line represents the 30-day, and the yellow line represents the 20-day exponential moving average. What we want to see is the cryptocurrencies, regardless of which coin it is, the coins, we want them to clear this pink line, the 55-day moving average. Once it clears the 55-day moving average, there is no more overhead resistance, and the price should begin to accelerate quicker and quicker to the upside. The other thing we want to look at are here the Bollinger Bands. You'll see the top channel, and here you'll see the bottom channel. Between the top and the bottom, there is the brown middle channel of the Bollinger Band. So what we want to see are the cryptocurrencies clear all 3 EMA lines and get above the middle Bollinger Band. Once it clears the middle Bollinger Band and the 3 EMA lines, there really isn't much overhead resistance, and price can really begin to accelerate. So again, what we're looking for is, in summary, is a breakout above the middle Bollinger Band and above all three EMA lines. And you'll notice, as we'll go through some of these coins, you'll notice that Bitcoin actually is the leader of all the coins. So next, let's look over at NEO. You'll see that NEO here it's trading at the middle Bollinger Band. It's cleared the 20 EMA line. It stopped at the 30, and it still has a way to go up until the 55. Technically trading neutral, but it has broken the channel here on the 24th. So NEO is in a breakout channel pattern formation. Next, let's look at DigiByte. DigiByte itself too did break the center channel, the brown line. It is now actually touched the 55 EMA line, and it stopped and it's backed off. And then it did break out on the 24th as expected. Expect NEO to very quickly, once it clears the 55 line, to get to about 3.5 cents very quickly. And you'll see the top Bollinger Band also comes in around 3.5 cents. So do expect 3.5 cents very, very soon. And then after that, it's really going to accelerate, probably get it to about 5 cents. We can see up here. So again, it needs to clear this pink line and then clear 3.5 cents for it to go to over 5 cents. Stellar Lumens. Okay, so Stellar Lumens is also above the middle channel of the Bollinger Band. It too, like DigiByte, was stopped by the 55 EMA line, currently trading at the 30 EMA line. Once again, relatively soon, we should see Stellar Lumens at about 26 cents. And then once it clears that, it can start to really accelerate higher as well. So Stellar Lumens did break out also on the 24th as expected. RDD, Redcoin, you can see as well too. It also is trading above the middle Bollinger Band, the brown line. It has cleared the 20 EMA line, currently trading right around the 30 EMA line. Still has a ways to go to the 55 EMA line. However, that shouldn't take too long now that it is above the middle Bollinger Band. Looks like the next target for RDD is approximately 3 cents, later on followed by 4+ cents. Next coin, Veritasium. You'll see Veritasium still is stuck both within the channel, the red channel here. So there's no breakout yet for Veritasium. It still is trading underneath the middle Bollinger Band, the brown line here, and it's also underneath all three EMA lines. So it is still a weaker coin, but when this coin does break out, I don't think it's going to be down here too much longer. When it goes, it's going to go pretty quickly here to 35 cents and followed by 52 cents and then 66 cents. So not much longer, a few more trading days. I think it's going to start breaking out possibly in very early September here, and then start making some very aggressive moves to the upside. But again, it does have some overhead resistance short term still. Next coin, Litecoin. Litecoin also one of the weaker coins, has been currently is still trading underneath the middle Bollinger Band. You can see here it did break out as expected on the 24th. Currently trades above the 20 EMA line. It stopped here by the 30 EMA line and it's still got to get over to the 55 EMA line followed by the upper channel. So next move for Litecoin is approximately 64 cents followed by a move up to 75 cents. And once 75 cents is broken and the 55 line is broken here, then do expect in September Litecoin getting up over to over $100, possibly $111 in the month of September. Next coin, ZRX. ZRX, similar to DigiByte, is above the middle Bollinger Band currently, is very near the 55 line, but currently does trade right around the 30 EMA line, so still has a little overhead resistance. Once it takes out the 55 line here at 0.88, it should very quickly get over to 90 cents, and very quickly top Bollinger Band here is over $1. So following targets or $1.28. But yes, this coin is going to move relatively quickly. It's already starting to break out here, and it did break out on the 24th as expected. Next coin, Populous. Populous still is stuck within its red channel. You'll see here, this is a channel. It has not broken out, but it here had a very powerful move. It is trading just underneath the breakout channel. It is above the middle Bollinger Band, and it's trading above the 20 and just at the 30 EMA line. So do not be surprised if Populous very quickly gets up to 5.4 cents here, and the top EMA line is 5.8. And then once that breaks, very quickly, Populous should be back up to 7.4 very, very quickly. So I expect that very soon here in September. And beyond that, I do expect it might even get up to 8 cents in September. So Populous is going to have a very strong move yet. And then ZIL, one of the stronger coins. It too broke out here on the 24th, like Digibyte and many other coins as expected. ZIL currently trades above the middle Bollinger Band, so that's very strong. It also is above the 20 EMA line. It currently is even above the 30 EMA line. Next target here is 5.4 cents at the 55 EMA line. Once it takes out 6 cents, then we should very quickly see ZIL get up to approximately 8 cents in September, if not much higher. Next target beyond that are 11 cents. So ZIL does have a very promising future. It's breaking out very beautifully here. Last coin we'll look at today is Ethereum Classic. Tube did break out, but you'll see it's more of a weak coin. It, like the weaker coins, is below the 20 EMA, the 30. Basically, it's below all the EMA lines and also below the middle Bollinger Band. So it has some work to do before it's going to get some strength in it. So this is one of the coins that I personally don't hold at this time. I just think it's going to take a long time for it to get going. In closing, the charts are looking absolutely beautiful. Bitcoin has broken out. Many of the altcoins have broken out. September is going to be incredible. October is going to be even better, but there will be a drop in October. And then once November hits into December, everything you have here in terms of positions should be truly, truly incredibly multiplied. Expect to have a beautiful finish to the year. I want to thank everybody for being a subscriber. May God bless you and your family in this exciting year. Thank you so much. God bless.